Hey guys, welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced robot vacuums currently on the market, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Pro. This little powerhouse doesn't just vacuum, it mops, it wipes, it cleans itself, empties itself, refills water automatically, and even dries its own mop pads. Yeah, you heard that right. This is truly next-level home automation. Let's find out. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Before we get into the details, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments. What's your go-to smart home device right now? I'm always looking for new gear to check out. Alright, let's talk about design first. The Xiaomi X20 Pro looks sleek and ultra-modern in a minimalist white finish. It fits right into any aesthetic, whether your vibe is clean and contemporary or warm and cozy. But the real magic lies in what's under the hood. Let's talk navigation and smart mapping. This robot uses LDS laser navigation, which means it performs a 360-degree scan of your home. It doesn't just wander around aimlessly like older vacuums. It plans efficient cleaning paths, avoids obstacles, and knows exactly where it's been and where it's going next. It maps out your rooms with precision, giving you a bird's-eye view of your layout in the My Home app or the Xiaomi Home app. That means you can set up no-go zones, schedule cleanings, and even assign specific rooms to be cleaned on specific days, all from your phone, whether you're home or not. Now, let's get into power. This thing is packing a massive 7,000 Pascal suction power. And that's a big deal. To put that into perspective, most high-end robot vacuums operate around 2,500 to 4,000 pascals. So, 7,000 Pascal means the X20 Pro is a beast. It's designed to lift dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors, even deeply embedded dirt that standard vacuums struggle with. But it doesn't stop at vacuuming. The X20 Pro also mops, and it does it smartly. It features a wiping function that's paired with multiple cleaning modes, so it can vacuum, mop, or do both in one go. You don't need to swap out parts or make manual changes. The robot handles it all automatically. And here's where the automation gets wild. The X20 Pro connects to an all-in-one cleaning station. This is not just a charging dock. It's an intelligent base that empties the dustbin automatically, washes the mop pads, dries the mop pads to prevent mold and odor, refills the onboard water tank. This is full-service cleaning, my friends. You won't need to touch this robot for weeks at a time. Seriously. The mop pads are cleaned with high-speed rotation and water jets, and then they're dried with hot air to prevent bacteria or mildew buildup. It's all done automatically. If you've used a robot mop before, you'll know how frustrating it is to manually clean dirty pads. This solves that entirely. What about battery life? Another win here. The X20 Pro gives you up to 160 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's nearly 3 hours of continuous cleaning, enough for large homes or multiple rooms in one go. And if the battery runs low mid-job, it automatically returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes exactly where it left off. Let's talk control and smart features. With the Mi Home or Xiaomi Home app, you can schedule cleanings, set cleaning modes, choose suction or mopping intensity, view live maps of cleaning routes, create room-specific cleaning schedules. And yes, it's compatible with voice assistants, so you can control it with Alexa or Google Assistant. Want to start a cleaning session while cooking? Just say the word. Now, here's something I really appreciate: adaptable cleaning modes. The X20 Pro adjusts its suction and water levels based on the room and floor type. So, if it moves from a hardwood floor to a carpet, it increases suction automatically. Same with mopping. It adjusts water flow based on how dirty the area is. You can customize every detail, from how frequently it cleans, to how many times it wipes an area, to the exact path it takes. You're in full control. Let's quickly summarize what makes the Xiaomi X20 Pro stand out. 7,000 PA, industry-leading suction power, smart LDS laser navigation with 360-degree home scanning, 4-in-1 functionality, vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, and drying, automatic dust emptying and mop cleaning at the station, hot air mop drying to prevent mildew, auto water refill system, multiple cleaning modes tailored to your floor types, up to 160 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, smart home integration with app plus voice assistant control. Fully automated dock equals true hands-free experience. In terms of who this robot is for, I'd say this is perfect for busy professionals, families, or anyone who wants maximum convenience. If you hate vacuuming or mopping but love clean floors, the X20 Pro might just become your favorite purchase of the year. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for the ultimate all-in-one robot vacuum and mop, with all the automation features packed in, from self-cleaning to drying to smart navigation, and you've got the budget for it, then yes, the Xiaomi X20 Pro is absolutely worth it. That's it for today's deep dive. If you've got any questions about this vacuum or want me to compare it to other models like the Narwhal Frio or Roborock S8, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!